AI is transforming government operations, making them more efficient and responsive. Imagine a world where public services are as seamless as your favorite app. This revolution is happening now, and it's reshaping how we interact with government. This video is brought to you by BusinessCompassLLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner and well-architect partner. We have certification distinction. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. We are partners with Azure, Google Cloud, Databricks, Snowflake, Salesforce.com, Trend Micro, and Prevail. We specialize in data and analytics, AI and ML, GenAI, web and app development. Our AI offering is AI for You. Check out iforyou.cloud. We provide a wide range of natural language processing, or NLP services, infused with GenAI for language and document to offer multimodal capabilities. We have concept to code, offering to translate ideas to products fast. See concept2code.ai. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. AI offers the potential to enhance citizen services significantly. From faster processing times to personalized interactions, AI is set to redefine public sector efficiency. But with great power comes the need for accountability and trust. AI and GenAI play distinct roles in government. Traditional AI excels in data analysis and decision support, while GenAI enhances communication and content creation. Together, they form a powerful duo for public sector innovation. Traditional AI focuses on structured data, like predicting budget needs or optimizing traffic. GenAI, on the other hand, creates new content, such as drafting policy summaries or generating multilingual documents, enhancing citizen engagement. Balancing innovation with oversight is crucial in AI policy. Governance structures ensure that AI implementations are ethical and effective. Establishing clear guidelines helps prevent bias and maintain public trust in AI systems. Ethical guidelines and bias prevention are key components of a robust AI framework. Regular data audits and algorithm testing ensure fairness, while transparency and accountability measures build public confidence in AI-driven decisions. AI streamlines administrative processes, reducing paperwork and speeding up service delivery. Predictive analytics enhance decision-making, allowing for more accurate resource allocation and improved operational efficiency. Cost reduction and efficiency improvements are significant benefits of AI automation. From reducing call center volumes to optimizing energy management, AI helps governments save money while enhancing service quality. AI personalizes government interactions, offering tailored services based on individual needs. Automated support systems provide 24/7 assistance, improving accessibility and reducing wait times for citizens seeking help. AI improves accessibility by breaking down language barriers and adapting services for diverse populations. Real-time translation and voice-to-text technologies ensure that everyone can access government services, regardless of language or ability. Public trust and transparency are vital for successful AI implementation. Clear communication about AI processes and regular audits help build confidence. Addressing budget constraints and resource allocation ensures sustainable AI adoption. Integrating AI with legacy infrastructure is a common challenge. API-first approaches and gradual migration strategies help bridge the gap, ensuring smooth transitions and effective AI deployment across government systems. Assessing data infrastructure and workforce readiness is crucial for AI adoption. Clean, accessible data and trained staff are foundational. Technical and regulatory requirements must be met to ensure successful AI integration. Budget considerations and security assessments are key factors in AI readiness. Governments must plan for ongoing costs and ensure robust security measures to protect sensitive data and maintain public trust. AI enhances human judgment, offering tools for faster, more responsive services. Pilot programs and gradual scaling allow governments to test and refine AI applications, ensuring they meet citizen needs effectively. By embracing AI, governments can transform public services, making them more efficient and accessible. The vision is clear: a future where AI empowers citizens and enhances the quality of government interactions. Recap. We've explored how AI is revolutionizing government operations, enhancing citizen services, and overcoming implementation challenges. By adopting AI responsibly, governments can improve efficiency and build trust with the public. Takeaway: by integrating AI into public services, you'll create a more responsive and efficient government. Embrace AI to enhance decision-making and citizen engagement, paving the way for a brighter future. Call to action. Let's continue this journey together. Explore AI pilot programs in your department and share your successes. By collaborating, we can harness AI's potential to transform public services for the better. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and engaged as we navigate the AI revolution in government. Together, we can build a future where technology empowers citizens and enhances public service delivery.